Hello everyone, igama lami Thinah Zungu, aka Mr. Stazzy. Bangibiza kanjalo. Wow, three of my favorite things. It's soccer, music, of course, and my family. As you see, one, ngiyengizwe kuthiwa ngi-12 1 hayibo kahle ngonini ubani. Number 2 bayibathi nginemali eningi kangazi ngithathaphi. I don't know that, but one thing for sure le ngiyengizwe it's not a misconception, it's a fact. Nginestairs bakithi and it's a swimming pool. Wow, on the reality show people must expect a lot of things about my life, about my friends, about many things that engizenza daily. So I just want to say shout out to Milk and Honey TV for working with me. Shout out to Mzansi Magic. This is something that I need to tell you. You did the right thing by choosing me, and I'm gonna do my best. Just wait and see.